Welcome to Isvara Wellness Studio. Today we are going to learn about stage 2 of Viloma Pranayama. Last week we practiced Viloma stage 1 where we learned to pause within the inhale. Today we are going to interrupt the exhale. In stage 1 we climb the staircase step by step on the way up. In stage 2 we come back down the same way, step by step on the exhale with a gentle rest between each one. The inhale in this practice is one long continuous breath in with no interruption, and then the exhale is broken into steps. A little air out, then a pause, a little more air out, again a pause, and then exhale all the way until the lungs are completely empty. This stage brings a feeling of ease and lightness to the body, and that's exactly what you will notice. The interrupted exhale activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is simply the body's natural calm response. This is a part of your nervous system that slows the heart rate, relaxes the muscles, and tells the body that everything is safe. So, whenever you are ready, let's get started.
Lie down on your back and make yourself comfortable. Keep your legs relaxed, feet falling apart naturally. Arms alongside the body with palms facing up. Keep a folded blanket under the head and shoulders if you need it. Once you settle in, gently close your eyes. Feel the ground supporting you completely. Take few easy breaths here. Before we begin, let's talk about the pause between exhalations. In stage 1, the pause came between inhales. Here it comes between exhales, but the quality is exactly the same. You breathe out for a few seconds and then you simply hold. Try not to tighten up the body, not clenching anything. The breath sits inside you quietly, just waiting. The belly stays soft, throat open, and the shoulders relax. And if at any point something feels uncomfortable, just breathe normally and come back when you are ready. Let's begin. First, take a gentle exhale to clear the lungs. Just let it go naturally. Now, inhale slowly and completely, filling the lungs comfortably. Now, the stepped exhale. Breathe out. 1, 2. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out a little more. 1, 2. Hold again. 1, 2. Last breath out, emptying the lungs gently to the bottom. 1, 2. Take one natural breath here now. Let's begin second round. This time see if you can soften even further into the pause. Inhale slowly and completely, filling the lungs comfortably. Breathe out. 1, 2. Rest. 1, 2. Breathe out a little more. 1, 2. Rest again. 1, 2. Last exhale to the bottom. 1, 2. And rest. Take one natural breath here. Let's do one more round. Inhale slowly and completely, filling the lungs comfortably. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe out a little more. Hold. Last exhale all the way to the bottom. And rest. Take one natural breath. That completes our 3 rounds together. If you feel comfortable and the breath is steady, stay here and continue at your own pace now. You can even start to increase the count on the exhale steps and the pause, whatever feels comfortable for you. Just listen to your body and let the practice find its own natural rhythm. And now, whenever you are ready, let the breath go completely. Just breathe however feels natural and notice what is here now. When stage 2 starts to feel easy lying down, try bringing it into a seated position. Sit comfortably with the spine upright and hands on the knees. Some people find the exhale feels more natural sitting up. Gravity helps the breath move out more easily. Try both and see which suits you. With regular practice, stage 2 builds a longer and more complete exhale, which directly calms the nervous system. You will notice better sleep, less tension held in the body through the day, and a greater ability to stay steady. See you next week. Namaste.